Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record a call with the CraigBot on Discord in just a few simple steps. First, head to craig.chat and click the Invite Craig to your Discord server button to open the Discord authorization page. A dialog appears asking you to select a server. Choose the server where you want to add Craig, then click Continue. You'll see a list of permissions Craig needs to function. Click Authorize to complete the setup. Now switch to your Discord server and click the voice channel you want to record in to join it. Once you're connected, click the message box in the text channel, type /join, and press enter to start the recording. Craig/join your voice channel, and a recording panel appears in the chat confirming that your call is being captured. The recording panel shows an activity section tracking the current session while Craig records. When you're ready to finish, click the message box, type /stop, and press enter to end the recording. Craig leaves the channel, and a recording ended panel appears with a link to download your files. Click Craig in your direct messages list to open the conversation where your recording link is stored. Click the download button in the message to open the download page in your browser. A Leaving Discord dialog appears. Click Visit Site to continue. The Craig website loads with your recording ready to download in multiple formats. Craig records each participant on a separate audio track, so you'll get individual files for everyone in the call, which makes editing much easier later. If Craig doesn't respond to your /join command, check that you've given it permission to view and send messages in that channel. You can verify this in your server's role settings. Your recordings are stored on Craig's servers for 7 days, so download them as soon as possible if you need to keep them long-term. The download page offers several formats including separate tracks, mixed audio, and video options depending on what you need. And that's how to record a Discord call with Craig. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.